Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of our series Heights of Himachal, a road trip that we will cover in 6 to 7 parts. On day 1, we drove from Chandigarh airport to Shimla in Himachal Pradesh, covering the distance in over 4 hours with a stop at Sharma Dhaba in Solan for a late lunch. Post lunch, we passed the hill town of Solan. The clouds descended on the hilly roads and there was fog around us at many points. That only made the drive and the surroundings even more beautiful. Late in the evening, we reached Shimla. And checked into Hotel Royal Residency. We are a family of 4, so we had booked 2 rooms for a night. Except for the location being a little remote, which is 7 kilometers from the main town center, the property was amazing. We were received well and taken to our plush rooms. Look at the superb view in the evening from the balcony of our room. This is the upper wing of the hotel, which houses more rooms and the restaurant, which was our main interest. After a shower, we enjoyed an elaborate buffet dinner with plenty of varieties to choose from. There was only one non-veg item, but that was enough. We got up early morning, greeted by this amazing view again from our balcony. We had a long journey ahead of us, so we started quite early. This outdoor seating area with some great views and awesome weather is where we decided to enjoy our buffet breakfast, which, like the dinner, was a generous spread. There was something for everyone. We then checked out and hit the road again for the long drive from Shimla to Rakcham village in Sangla Valley, which would take about 8 hours, covering 228 kilometers. Of course, we would have plenty of stops for videography, taking pics, and time for an enjoyable lunch promised by our tour guide and driver KK in Badal. Now, who is waiting for lunch anyway? One of us only had to enquire about the local delicacy Siddu, and in no time KK pulled over to this very popular restaurant. We greatly relished both the varieties, the sweet and the savoury, which were served with ghee and a spicy chutney respectively. These great views are right opposite the Siaram Siddu restaurant. If you are travelling on this route, don't miss stopping here for the snack and their fresh juices. We resumed our journey again, driving on the winding roads flanked by beautiful green mountains and valleys. Our next stop was Rajiv Gandhi High Altitude Training Center in Shilaru. Okay, now let me take you through the simple, very basic hole-in-the-wall dhaba where we enjoyed a great lunch of makai di roti, sarson ka saag, rajma and kadhi, served with dollops of homemade butter. There was powdered jaggery on which ghee was poured. They would gladly replenish any dish, and they also serve rice if you are still able to eat it, that is. After a long day of driving, we finally reached Rakcham village in the evening. We'll explore this lovely place in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for our upcoming episodes of the series to enjoy our journey.